1935 FORD Sedan again. You can see this place is emptied out, man. This is all full. It was raining like crazy this morning, so a lot of people didn't show. Raining really hard this morning too. Got the skull on here, 35 Ford. You got your upgraded headlights. I like the way the pinstripes are done. No step, yeah, I understand that. Oh, look at this interior, man. Tan, probably old leather. Looks like nobody even stepped in it for crying out loud. Oh, you wear your slippers or something. Take your shoes off, you get in here and drive. You got your gold trim gauges with kind of like a pewter colored face. Looks nice. Goes right rear with the interior. Beads on there and stuff. So let's see what it says up here. No, nothing. Just 35 Ford. There was something else it said. Anyway, a lot of money in these cars because, like I said, to make this car, holy smokes, you'd be better off buying it just like you're already done. In most cases, unless you're going to Barrett Jackson or something. Ugh. High dollar fools. Yeah. I mean, some places are the auctioneers are gearing towards a high dollar crowd, and they'll pay anything. But then there's a lot of places that you've seen some deals around here. If you really want one of these bad enough, you can get them pretty good. Way less than you can build them for. Sweet car, 35 Ford.